What does it take to build the most reliable trucks in India? A deep understanding of Indian road conditions. A deeper understanding of truckers.
ज्यादा पावर मतलब डिलीवरी टाइम पे।
सस्पेंशन अच्छा हो तो बदन दुखे नहीं।
चढ़ाव पे कोई दिक्कत ना हो। माइलेज तो जरूरी है।
बार-बार ब्रेक तो बड़े ही परेशान हो गए हो।
The insights from this study has led to the creation of products and a brand dedicated to India, BharatBenz. At BharatBenz, our commitment to India is complete. We manufacture trucks with high standards of reliability, efficiency, and performance that set a new benchmark in the industry. First, we ensure that our design and manufacturing processes meet the stringent standards required for this demanding environment. Then we put the trucks through rigorous testing on a one-of-its-kind, state-of-the-art test track, specially built to simulate the toughest Indian roads. The super-elevated test track resembles a high-speed expressway. This tests the ability of the engine and gearbox in different speed and load conditions to deliver best-in-class performance. In the rough and cobble track, the truck undergoes various tests to check for high durability and to ensure that it performs reliably on the toughest of terrain. Another set of tests the truck undergoes is on the specially created articulation track. This tests the strength of the suspension, chassis, and stabilizers to ensure maximum stability. The pothole track rigorously tests the performance of the axles, suspension, and cab mounting, and their ability to withstand huge shocks. At the water trough, the performance of the truck in waterlogged conditions and heavy rains is tested. Finally, the trucks go on to the inspection ramp, where after each cycle of testing, dedicated engineers thoroughly scan the trucks with over 70 checks. even the smallest variations found are rectified to ensure consistent performance of the trucks. BharatBenz trucks have completed lakhs and lakhs of kilometers of testing, ensuring that the full range of products deliver the highest standards of performance in terms of efficiency, reliability, and durability in the most demanding operating conditions. At BharatBenz, testing is not a process. It is the extension of a 115-year-old commitment, enabling customers to make on-time deliveries every time, making them truly competitive and their businesses even more profitable. BharatBenz, the most reliable trucks that deliver best-in-class performance so you can power ahead.